What are you eating? Biscuit cookie. I got an idea. Let's make a biscuit cake. Yay! Our ingredients are
Milk.
whipping cream,
Biscuit.
instant vanilla pudding. It must be instant.
Sour cream.
More milk.
And chocolate.
Chocolate. Let's begin. We will start with making our cream. So we have a mixer and we're gonna pour all this in here and let it mix. Olivia, will you help me put the whipping cream in the mixer? Be careful. Let's go fast before the cream comes. Now with the instant vanilla pudding. It's good. Is it another? Olivia, I will do this, okay? Okay, pour that in, and then I'll add another cup. Okay, so let's go at one. It's done and it smells so good.
Wait there. What do you say?
It's good? Wait. It's really good. Now, let's do that. It's a perfect cream. Let's put it aside. Let's bring the spread. And so, I'm gonna show you how to do this. We take a cookie, we dip it in the milk, and take it fast out of here, and put it down. You see, Olivia? So do like this, get it out, let the milk it out. Olivia, we finished one layer. Now let's put the cream, okay? Okay. I took a big scoop. It's fine. Let's see.
Thank you.
Another scoop.
For
Okay, let's put the next layer of the biscuit. That's right. Okay, no more. Now we put the cream again.
a pancake, make us man. A pancake, make us man. Pie, a pie, put it.
Olivia, one more layer of biscuits. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. And like, right Olivia?
Yeah.
Okay, now we put our last layer of cream.
Hey!
Sorry. Yeah, at least you have cream on your biscuit, right?
Yeah.
The last layer of biscuits. No more. Let's finish it off with some chocolate sauce on the top. We're done. Now we have this. Now we will let it rest in the refrigerator for 1 hour. See you later.
I will do. Where's the cake?
Da-da-da-da-da. I got the cake.
Yay! Goody, goody,
That's
goody.
good.
What's that? It's out.
It's chocolate. You have to cut the cake?
Yes. Yum, yum.
Mm. Oh my god. It's so chocolatey, cream cheese, and the vanilla. So good. You guys must try it. Like and subscribe. And if you want the full recipe, check in the description below. Bye. Let's try it. What?